first part, facing rejection. Remember, when you're getting rejected, you're not rejected. Your idea is rejected. Your proposal is rejected. And silence your inner critic so that you can get on with your life. The second stage is about processing rejection. What happens when the rejection? So some of you may know, cricket fans know that, Rahul, our beloved cricket player, unfortunately, he was made a buffoon of by a brand called Cred. I will not talk about the ad. Uh, Rahul Dravid was rejected from the Indian one-day international team. Anyone knows which year he was rejected? He didn't make it to the Indian one-day international team. He was rejected. This was the year 1998. And so Geet Sethi, world champion snooker player, was in Bangalore practicing for his physicals for his World Cup. And he was in the Kantiveera stadium with a physical trainer early morning. And whom does he see? Literally a few days after the rejection news, it was Rahul Dravid. So he asked Rahul, what are you doing here? Rahul said, no, I need to get my upper body muscles going. So here is a player rejected. And what was he doing? He was not going to Delhi and crying on someone's shoulder, but he was there in the morning in the stadium, getting his physical fitness right. So what happened in the year 1999? World Cup, Rahul Dravid is selected. India didn't do very well in that World Cup, but Rahul Dravid actually was the highest scoring batsman in that World Cup. So what I think the important thing is, you may get dropped from a team, don't curse, process that rejection, just as Rahul Dravid did, go and get your abs muscles built. So get on to practice more and get your act right.